Trading ideas for the week of February 28, 2022. One of the main events in upcoming week is Chairman Powell's testimonial. It's a semi-annual testimonial in upcoming week on Wednesday and Thursday. So please watch for that. So we start on Monday, which is going to be the last day of the month. And usually the last day and the first day of the month generally are positive due to some rebalancing and the flow of cash from retirement money. Turkey and India will have their GDP numbers. Spain will have their inflation rates coming up. Berkshire Hathaway will have their earnings before the open, and the Zoom and the Lucid earnings will be after close. On Tuesday is the first day of the month of March. So generally, it's a positive day. Not always, but history tells us that the money flow is coming in. Australia, their central bank, the Reserve Bank Board, will come up with their interest rate decision. Indonesia, Italy, and Germany will announce their inflation rates. And US, their ISM manufacturing PMI numbers will come up. Targets will have the earnings before the open. AMC, Salesforce, and Plug will have PowerPlug will have their earnings after close. On Wednesday, we have the Euro area inflation, but watch for the semi-annual, the US Fed Chair Powell's testimony in front of the House Financial Services. And don't forget about the crude oil inventories on Wednesday. On Thursday, we have Italy and Euro area unemployment rate, and also we'll have the US ISM services PMI, which is the non-manufacturing PMI. US Fed Chair Powell will continue their testimony, his testimony in Senate. And don't forget about the gold trade. For earnings, we have the Best Buy before the open, and Costco and Gap earnings will come after the close. On Friday, which is probably the biggest news of the week, which is the first Friday of the month, and that's the non-farm payroll announcement. That's the employment and also the earnings. So watch for that, and don't forget our NFP trade. Also, we will have the Italy and the Brazil's GDP coming up. Speaking of ISM manufacturing PMI it's an index, also known as the Purchasing Managers Index. It is a monthly indicator of a U.S. economic activity based on a survey of purchasing managers at more than 300 manufacturing firms. It is considered to be a key indicator of the state of the U.S. economy. Formerly called the Manufacturing ISM Report on Business, the survey is conducted by the Institute for Supply Management, and therefore ISM. It indicates the level of demand for products by measuring the amount of ordering activity at the nation's factories. A reading of above 50 indicates expansion, and below 50 suggests contraction. Now, we also have this ISM non-manufacturing or services PMI, which is the similar idea, except it's for the service rather than manufacturing. With that in mind, I wish you a wonderful week ahead, a prosperous and healthy one. Thank you.